We're working on not one, but two 1980 Yamaha QT50s. And a problem that I've seen multiple times finally came up, so it's time to finally make a video on how to fix it. This will be the very first time I've ever had to actually fix this problem, so it's gonna be a little bit of trial and error. As you guys can see from this video here, when I got it running here for the very first time, it started making an extremely loud whining noise while I was riding it. And that's coming directly from our speedometer. So let's go ahead, take this thing off, tear it apart, and see if we can't fix that problem. And while we're working on that, I'm going to go ahead and add some lubricant to this cable here, just so we can eliminate this being our problem, and as some overall maintenance. So the best way that we can test this as we go is by connecting one end of that throttle cable to a drill and just simply holding the other end. As you can see, you can actually hear that going on. So just like on the cable itself, I'm going to go ahead and use this multi-purpose oil and pretty much just try to lube every moving part in this and see if we can't get a better result. All right, with everything lubed up, let's go ahead and attach our cable back up and see if it's any quieter. Wow, what an easy fix. Let's go ahead and reinstall this and make sure everything's working properly. So there you guys go. That's how you fix a speedometer on a moped, probably multiple other kind of motorcycles. I hope that this video helped, and if it did, please feel free to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you just enjoy moped content, maybe hitting that subscribe button. So again, guys, I hope this video helped, and as always, ride safe.